Hello students, welcome back to the class of subject-verb agreement. In the previous classes, you studied some of the examples of nouns where it takes singular verbs and sometimes it also takes plural verbs. There are some more examples of this. Let us have a look at them in today's session. Now, collective nouns. You all know what are collective nouns. Some collective nouns such as board, bunch, flock and etc. are followed by of take singular verbs. Let us have a look at the examples. A swarm of flies. In this example, flies are a word plural, but still it is a swarm of flies. It is one single group of flies. So it is a swarm of flies. Hence, it takes a singular verb. Hence, a swarm of flies is buzzing. Similarly, a bundle of keys. So, there may be a lot of keys. Tumba keys irbodu. But, adella seri one bundle. It is one bundle of key. So, a bundle of keys adaga alli verb singular barate. Keys bahala idruno, it is one single bundle. So, a bundle of keys has disappeared. Similarly, a bunch of flowers. ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಬಂಚ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಬಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಈಸ್. ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ವಾಮ್, bundle, bunch, list, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ collective nouns. Okay, so collective nouns take singular verbs. Let us do the exercises. Fill in the blanks. A bunch of flowers dash presented to her. Okay, so flowers is a plural anta. We cannot write are here. It is a bunch, a single bunch. So a bunch of flowers is presented to her. A flock of birds dash high. It is one single flock of birds. So the answer is rises. A flock of birds rises high. A bundle of books dash parceled. Books is plural, but here it is a single bundle of books. So a bundle of books was parceled. A board of directors. It's a single board of many directors. It's a singular noun. A board of directors is formed. Okay, now there is a confusion in collective nouns here. See, collective nouns of people and organizations. Example, couple, family, team, staff, company, etc. So, in the cases iddaga, we usually use a singular verb when we are thinking of the group or organization as one unit, and use a plural verb when we are thinking of the activity of each individual member. So, illi enu andre collective noun, for example family anta itkondre sentence alli family anodu idi family ne seridre, okay, if it is a single unit it will be singular, but ade family na each member of the family anta now importance kotre it becomes plural. For example, see here example, his family is quite large. But ade next line nodi, his family have given him their full support. So in the first sentence family is singular. In the second sentence family is plural. Why? Because in the first sentence his family is quite large ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಮ್ ದರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಚ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಿಪ್ರೋ is a successful organization. So, illi Wipro ಅನ್ನೋದು single organization. In the next sentence, Wipro are holding a 2-day annual meeting. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ವಿಪ್ರೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸು ಆ್ಯನ್ಯಲ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ singular. Next sentence, the committee are of different opinion. In this sentence, the committee signifies members of the committee. Here it becomes plural. Similarly, the committee is an environmental organization. This is an organization regarding environment. This committee, it's a single committee. In the last sentence, the committee have objected to these measures. So in the last sentence, the committee here refers to the members of the committee. Okay, so collective nouns ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಇಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫೈಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫೈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಸೊ ದ ವರ್ಬ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ collective noun. Let's do the exercise regarding this collective nouns. Fill in the blanks. The team dash won the match. Here the team signifies a single team. It is singular. So the team has won the match. In the second one, the team dash of different opinion. Here the team is plural. It consists of members of the team. So the team are of different opinion. The staff dash always committed to work. It's singular here. So the staff is always committed to work. The staff dash given different opinions. It's plural here, members of the staff. So the staff have given different opinions. The planning committee, singular, is meeting again tomorrow. Each committee consists of 4 individuals. Now let us look at the nouns which are both plural and singular. Sometimes the act is plurals and sometimes the act is singular. With the words like some, any, all, no, it depends on whether the noun following these is singular or plural. For example, no other evidence has been submitted. In the second statement, no other statements have been found. So ಎರಡು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದರ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ನೌನನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಅದರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. No other evidence has been submitted. No other statements have been found. Some more examples. Some of the milk is spoiled. Some of the books are damaged. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಬ್ ಈಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್. ಇಫ್ ಎ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, the subject is placed after the verb. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ದೇರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಬ್ ಮೊದಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಂತರ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಟುಡೇ, ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಬ್ ಈಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ are the results of the exam. Results plural ಆದ್ರಿಂದ here are. Here is your key, so key is singular, so is. Here are your keys, keys are plural, so are. There is a question, singular. There are many questions, plural, right? Let us do the exercises now. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct form of the verb given in bracket. Some of the food dash not fresh. Food is singular, so we should use singular verb. Some of the food was not fresh. Some of the vegetables dash not fresh. Vegetables plural, so we should use the verb were. Some of the vegetables were not fresh. Here dash the bus. The bus is singular, so singular verb comes. Here comes the bus. There dash the birds. Birds is plural, so the plural verb is fly. There fly the birds. I'll repeat the sentence with answers again. Some of the food was not fresh. Some of the vegetables were not fresh. Here comes the bus. There fly the birds. Okay, dear students. In the next class, we'll learn some more examples regarding subject-verb agreement.